Did you know that 1 in 3 Americans have little to no savings for retirement? Yet there are people like Warren Buffett, whose investment prowess has amassed a net worth of over $100 billion. Why? Because there's something he knows that most people don't. From Warren Buffett's stock market strategies to principles of frugal living and achieving financial independence, here are 10 pieces of Warren Buffett financial advice people learn too late in life. Number 1. If you don't make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. This is a classic Warren Buffett quote, and it's so true. Even at his old age of 90 and net worth of a whopping $139 billion, Warren's still hustling by choice, so you better listen to him if you want to gain financial independence. Relying on that 9 to 5 alone to keep the cash flowing will not work for you even with frugal living habits. Instead, it is only a one-way ticket to working hard until the very moment you kick the bucket. Warren Buffett's money advice for you is to separate your time from your money. First, you need to get more than one stream of income. Find 2 or 3 more reliable income streams. Then embrace frugal living. Always strive to keep your spending within check. Have consistent monthly savings, and then embrace Warren Buffett's stock market investing strategy. Stocks and real estate will always appreciate over time, and it will set you up for a refreshing retirement. To gain financial independence, you need to follow Warren Buffett's rules of investing. Follow his lead, have enough income streams, live frugally, invest wisely, and you'll be well on your way to financial independence. Who needs to work till they're in their golden years, right? Well, if you don't embrace this next piece of Warren Buffett's financial advice, you'll work twice as hard in your golden years. Number 2. Don't risk your financial security for family. What is Warren Buffett's take on family and finances? He's all about looking out for yourself first, without ditching your family, of course. So this is it. The truth is, if you empty your retirement savings helping out relatives, you'll find yourself in a financial pickle later in life. So why not wait until you're kicking back in retirement with a hefty bankroll? At that time, you can comfortably give out to your relatives without suffering for it. But you mustn't leave them swimming in cash. Let them have just enough to feel empowered, but not enough to make them lose their drive for financial independence. Wise words from the Oracle of Omaha, right? Wait until you hear this next one. Just before we spill the beans, can you take a second to hit the like and subscribe buttons? Done? All right. The next advice is number 3. You get richer by needing less. One of Warren Buffett's pieces of money advice is that you get richer by needing less. It's all about frugal living and smart money moves towards attaining financial independence. Instead of chasing after more and more, Warren Buffett investment strategy involves cutting back and living within your means. That's the magic key to building wealth over time. Buffett's not just about making money, he's about making smart choices with what you've got by living frugally. It's all part of his playbook for financial independence. Spend less, save more, and watch your wealth grow. So next time you're tempted to splurge on something you don't really need, remember Warren Buffett's money advice. You get richer by needing less. Number 4. The most important quality for any investor is temperament, not intellect. Do you know why Warren Buffett's investment strategy always works? He understands that investing is all about temperament, not just smarts. You must never be swayed by the crowd, whether they're cheering or panicking. Instead of blindly following trends, Buffett believes in staying cool, calm, and collected. Stare the cold, hard facts in the market in the face and make decisions based on logic, not your emotions. Don't try to be a hero or the rebel. Keep your head straight, stick to Warren Buffett rules of investing, and you'll attain financial independence like the Oracle of Omaha himself. Another thing you need to learn early is number 5. Know the difference between price and value. According to Warren Buffett, price is what you pay, value is what you get. Market prices go up and down quickly because of what people think and say, but the true value of something is based on its actual worth. For example, if you buy shares in a strong company like Google or the Big Apple, the price might be high, but the value is also high because they make a lot of money and have good growth prospects. Unlike when you buy shares in a business that's not doing so well. The price might be less, but the value will be far less because they might not make much money or grow as fast as Apple. Focusing on value rather than just price helps you look at the big picture and make smarter investment choices. Number 6. Opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. Another vital piece of Warren Buffett money advice to learn before it's too late is always seize opportunities. When things are looking tough, Buffett saves his cash, waiting for the rainy days. And when those stock prices take a nosedive, he goes all in. That is actually the Warren Buffett stock market investing strategy. It's the key to financial independence and smart stock market investing. This next tip will blow your mind, but first, take a quick second to tap the like and subscribe buttons. Number 7. Be wary of financial advisors. Warren Buffett believes that many advisors may not always have your best interests at heart, because they don't bear the risks of your fortune's rise or fall. They might even steer you toward the investments that will earn them the highest commissions, knowing that they aren't best for you. For example, they might recommend mutual funds with high fees or frequent trading that benefits them but eats into your returns. According to Buffett, if you follow simple, low-cost investment strategies, you won't need financial advisors. You'll protect your money and make more financial progress. Number 8. Invest in index funds. In 2017, Warren Buffett said, "Consistently buy an S&P 500 low-cost index fund. Keep buying it through thick and thin, and especially through thin." Index funds are exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or mutual funds that replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. A simple but effective investment strategy that Buffett strongly advocates for many reasons. First, they offer wide market exposure. An S&P 500 index fund includes shares from the top 500 companies in the United States. This diversifies your investment and reduces the risk, because if one company performs poorly, the overall effect on your portfolio is negligible. Index funds also have lower fees, unlike actively managed funds. You save more and earn more. With index funds, you enjoy the overall growth of the market without worrying about short-term fluctuations. The simplicity, low-cost, diversification, and long-term growth potential of index funds makes them perfect for any investor that wants to build reliable wealth over time. 9. Be very skeptical of get-rich-quick opportunities. Warren Buffett's money advice when it comes to getting rich quickly is to back out. He's not a fan of it, to say the least. According to Buffett, trying to hit the jackpot overnight is one of the biggest financial mistakes out there. He's all about taking the slow and steady path to wealth and financial independence. After all, getting well-to-do slowly using the Warren Buffett investment strategy or by using any of Warren Buffett rules of investing is far easier than trying to strike it rich in a flash. Warren Buffett's stock market investing strategy is sticking to what he knows and avoiding get-rich-quick schemes like the plague. This is a smart money move, especially for anyone who desires to attain financial independence early in life. And this sort of leads to the final point. Before we get into it, if you've found this video helpful so far, give it a thumbs up by tapping the like and subscribe buttons. Number 10. Invest in what you know, and nothing more. One of Warren Buffett's rules of investing is basically sticking to what you know like glue, and nothing more. One of the biggest blunders people make is diving into investments that are way too complicated. The Warren Buffett investment strategy is all about simplicity, and clearly, it's working perfectly for him. Most of us have spent our careers in just a few industries, right? So, why not focus on what you understand best? That's why Warren Buffett's money advice is never invest in a business you cannot understand. He's not saying you can't dip your toes into unfamiliar waters once in a while, but you have to tread carefully. With thousands of companies out there, it's easy to get lost in the sea of confusion. If you can't wrap your head around how a company works in 10 minutes, Warren Buffett's money advice is simple. Move on to the next idea. That's why Buffett's been wary of diving into the tech world. He's all about keeping it simple and sticking to his circle of competence. So next time you're eyeing a potential investment, remember Peter Lynch's words. Never invest in an idea you can't illustrate with a crayon. Keep it simple, stick to what you know, and you'll be on the right track to financial independence. Warren Buffett's investment strategy and money advice all boil down to a few key principles: smart stock market investing, frugal living, and following his rules of investing. By prioritizing financial independence and making prudent decisions with your money, you can set yourself up for long-term success. Which of this advice will you be practicing soon? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our channel for more insight like this.